What is the simplest way to find the determinant of this matrix? So let us say this is the matrix A. What is going to be the determinant of this matrix? Now, there might be two methods that you could use to find the determinant of the matrix. The one way is actually the conventional way, which takes, I'm going to say, a little bit longer than the tricky way that we're actually going to use. So basically, this video is trying to see how easily we could work the determinant of this matrix without going so far or so conventional. So this is how it works. Now, first off, I'm going to rewrite this here. So this is going to be 6, 2, we got -4. This is 1, -3. Well, I need to rewrite that. This is going to be -1. Here we have 8, 0, and 1. So this is what I'm going to do. I will take the numbers in this place and in this position, and I will place them on this other side. So this is going to be an 8, and here we're going to have a 1. Then I'm also going to take this one and this and place them on this other side. So that is going to be a 6 and a -4. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I will use some lines and strike out some numbers to this direction, and at some others, I'm going to use a line to strike it in this direction. So let us go gradually. So let us start with the first. Now this is how I'm going to do it. So we have this being struck. Now in this striking, you need to cross only 3 elements, not more than that. So just bear that at the back. So this is going to be the second, and this will be the third. So this 6 is actually being crossed. I think I need to redraw that or write that here. So that is what you have. Now we need to cross the other ones, which is going to be, we have this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so let us see what that's going to give us. So how do we work it? So this is the left hand side, and this is actually the right hand side. So we need to sum up the numbers that are going to be gotten from the left and subtract by the numbers that are going to be gotten from the right. So how do we do that? Basically, all the numbers which are present within a stroke, they're going to be multiplied together. These are going to be multiplied as well as these ones. So we need to add all the answers from the first, second, and third arrow, and that will give us the answer for the right. So we're basically going to do the same thing for the left. And so we will subtract the answers we got to the right from the answers we got to the left. So let us do that. Now, let us find what is going to be the answers to the left. So I think I need to rewrite this. So this is going to be -1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. So that should give us -16. Then we're going to add it with these ones. So that is going to be 1 multiplied by -3 multiplied by 6. So that should basically give us -18. So I'm just going to write -18 there. And we have the last one, which is -4 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 1. And so that should give us a -0. Well, there is actually nothing like -0. So this basically should give us a 0. So that should be the answer there. So let us come to the right. So we need to add all the numbers, which will be multiply. First off, this will basically give us a 0. So I just need to write that there. And here we have -4 multiplied by -3. That is multiplied by 8. Now this basically should give us 12. So you got 12 multiplied by 8. So if you have 12 multiplied by 8, what is that going to give you? So that basically should give us 96. So that will be plus 96. You have 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So we need to subtract the right from the left. So let us do that. For the left, we have a -34 kind of. So that is going to be the answer for the left. And for the right, we have a 98. So the determinant is going to be written this way. That is going to be, I'm just going to wipe this out. Yeah. So the determinant of the matrix A is basically going to be the answers we got to the left, which is -34, minus the answer we got to the right, which is going to be 98. So this will be, so that should be 100, -120 minus 12. So this should give us 132. So that is the answer to the question. -132.